Improving your ability to talk can totally transform your career and your life. How do you improve your ability to talk? By talking a lot out loud. This is part of my practice. And I love to go somewhere like the forest, see me out there in the forest talking out loud, picking different concepts and parts of my work and just talking at them, about them and seeing, ooh, I love the way I formulated that, and ooh, this came out really cool the way I said it this time, and really practicing talking out loud. This is very, very powerful. And hey, according to some people, like my family, I'm really good at talking. Maybe a little too good. But this has been really amazing for my career. The more I've been able to improve this, the more it's taken me on journeys all over the world I didn't know I'd ever go on. So I highly recommend this. And the reason why we do it out loud is because we often say things differently than we write them. And I know a lot of people, when they want to prepare for a presentation or a talk, they start with this. They get behind a computer and write a script. And I'm encouraging you to flip it around. Start here. Start talking it out and then capturing some notes. Ooh, I love this. I love the way I said this. And all of a sudden, your script is going to sound more like you. So let me know, do you agree or do you disagree? Put it in the comments.